Hey guys, so here's this 52-inch Breeze Springfield Ceiling Fan that I got from Habitat, the drop-off area. And there were actually several fans at the drop-off area, but I only got two for now. I got this fan and then I got the Reddington 4 to restore. So yeah, when I got those fans, they both do not come with any blades. And I had to get new blades for this fan, and then I had to get new blades, well, for the for the Reddington, I got blades from Hunter Highbury too, that had a broken motor, and it's gonna be for the Reddington. So yeah, and then this fan had a lot of missing parts. It was missing the mounting bracket, all 5 of the blades, light shades, screwing candelabra sockets, pole chains. I think that's all. And the quick connect blade things, and that's all. Forgot to say that. I picked this fan up because I like those fans. I like Springfields. So I got the light shades from Habitat, and they were from a bathroom light fixture, and it was at the drop-off area as well, and it kind of matches this fan. So yeah, it matches this fan, so that's why I picked it up and put it on this fan. But except the original shades for the Springfield, it's not as rounded as these. That's the only difference, but it's still the same. It's alabaster, and then I put clear incandescent bulbs in there. And then the mounting bracket, I got the mounting bracket from Habitat too, because this fan did not come with one. And then I found the mounting bracket that fit perfect on this fan. And they were not from another fan, they were sitting on the shelf. There was like 2 mounting brackets sitting on the shelf at Habitat. There was one that had bottom screwed only, and one that has these kind of screws on it. And it fit perfect on this fan, so that's why I picked it up. So yeah, and then the Breeze pole chains, the teardrop chains, the candelabra socket screws, all 5 of the blades, actually all 4 of the candelabra screws, and then 1 candelabra socket. I got them from Lowe's because all of those parts do not come with the fan, but except that 1 candelabra socket, the old one broke. And this is the old candelabra socket. Yep, it broke in half, so I got a new one. And it fit perfect. Yep, and it worked. So, for the blades, Springfield's or Quick Connect has Quick Connect blades, but since it did not come with any blades or the Quick Connect, the black triangular shaped things, they did not come with it, so I had to drill holes to align them, and then the screws are short and the washers are original, so I put them on top of each other, and then the washers are holding onto the blades, and it's really tight. That's really good. It's very tight, so that's good. And these blades are actually smaller than the original blades because the blades are 48 inches. Now, I wasn't expecting that. I thought they would be 52 inches, but they're 48 inches because I measured the blades, and they're 48 inches, and the blades on the package did not say the inches on it. I chose this side because it matches the original blades. And it's Mink. This is the Mink side, and it's reversible to the seasoned wood looking blades. That's newer, actually. It's a newer kind of finish for Breeze, because the original finish would be like pine wood, but this is like cedar wood. Breeze changed it because it's more updated than the pine wood, and I like these kind of better than a the Pyro because it's more updated. So, yeah, and I chose the Matcha side. I chose the Mink side to match the original blades. And I like that. So, it is a 52-inch fan, but it looks smaller because of the blade inches. And then the screwy sockets, this fan did not come with them. So I got new ones from Lowe's, and they were out of stock, and there was like 2 of these in a different box, and then I accidentally dropped one of them, and one of the employees at Lowe's told me about if I'm okay, and I said I'm okay, and then I told him that I was looking for those kind of screwy things, and they had them on like on a really high shelf there for like employees only, and then that person bought the elevator ladder type, and then grabbed one of these boxes and got these screwy things, and it fit perfect, and he was really nice. It was an old man too that worked at Lowe's, and yeah, he was really nice and got me these screwy things to work on this fan. Yep, and the smaller ones wouldn't fit, and I tested them before though. So yeah, just want to remind y'all. But anyways, this fan has a bad capacitor, and I'm gonna get a new one. The new capacitor was gonna come today, but they were behind a little bit, so they're gonna come Thursday, and I have to wait. And I'm gonna take this fan down after our video because it's gonna rain tomorrow, and I don't want this fan to be ruined or make the blade sag a little bit. So, and I'm gonna put it back up to make a demonstration video of the new capacitor when I get it replaced, and I'm pretty sure this fan's gonna go really fast since it has smaller blades, and it blows good air though too. So yeah, I'm about to demonstrate this fan. Here we go.